Winter has come, and this love arrives to warm us up.
Come here, Jack. Come here, down here.
Give him a kiss.
Come down from there.
Aww.
She's not he's not looking.
If they act like a bodyguard one day, you gotta know the reason why.
There's that, but we fight him.
Now I remember.
Being an only child for too long, he's still learning how to share.
How did Zena know her father was in the kitchen?
Freddie, you gonna wake up?
He can sleep.
Yeah, he loves sleeping.
Yeah, he loves.
Dog, that used to be my spot. How did this tiny human take over?
You do not.
Good morning, dear parents. Good morning to you. Yay!
What's that?
Making their little sister laugh might just be a hidden talent of these four-legged brothers. Gentleness truly is the mark of a perfect big brother.
Opened it, and everybody in this one. Everybody in. Look at that little boy. Where's that little boy? Aww. He's so cute. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. She has on her light up shoes right now.
Picked flowers for Mum, but forgot you had a little brother.
Baby, don't you cry. Make a pet in the home and video.
You don't entertain much, do you? I like my privacy. You know I do too. That's another thing we have in common. Like, I hate it when you got somebody in your face, you trying to give them a hint, they don't leave, and then there's that big awkward silence, you know.
Then Freddie come back.
Freddie, come back. Go get it, Fred. Go get it. Go on.
Okay. 7, 9. Do da do do do. A do da do da do 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 da do. Every half in the pool. Next time.
Mally, stop eating her hair. Oh my God, Gia. Oh my God, no.
А ти моє серденько. Я не можу жити без серденька.
Stay.
You want to come in?
Dog's like, let me join in too.
Really, Nyla?
Why is no word really going?
He doesn't want you to go to daycare.
I love you, yeah. I love you, yeah. I love you, ding, 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 ding. Music. Noisy. Noisy.
You love Thor. He loves you too.
Next time, read the fairy reminds me.
Oh, that's Parker, baby. She knows that sound.
What's wrong, Pooh? He's okay. He's okay.
Good morning.
Good job, Butter. Good job, Butter. Good job. Good job, Butter.
Oh, lots of kisses. Oh, she's a good kid. All right, bye.
괜찮아.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
The baby say good morning to the baby. Oh, I say good morning to those baby toes.
Looks like he's found something even better than pup cups.
Man, that's great. I love baby toes.
Like a gingerbread duck. Strawberry duck, gingerbread duck.
Strawberry Tuesday.